once they gave us the diagnosis, it was the hardest meeting of my life. I was like 5 months postpartum with my youngest, so obviously hormonal and emotional, but just, yeah, it was really hard.
For you, what was the big shift that you were saying, okay, actually my family dynamic has changed, and now, Lord, show me what to do?
We were like united in a new way with that move. And so it was, nobody understood what we were going through apart from each other.
Has acceptance, have you accepted it? And is this journey of acceptance helpful?
You were angry, you were this, you were here, you said things, you did things. This is real life. And sometimes when you grow up in church culture, we don't know that we can be angry.
We replaced this lie of, I'm not a good mother, with I am a good mother and I'm exactly what my children need.